Imagine standing at the edge of an unseen universe, a universe brimming with power and wisdom, just waiting to be explored. Today we embark on a journey, not through the stars, but within ourselves, to unlock a secret that has the potential to transform our lives. Welcome to a story about you, about us, and about an incredible power that binds us all, the universal power. In the grand tapestry of existence, there's a thread that connects everything, a powerful, mysterious force. It's not just in the far reaches of space, but right here, within us. This force, some call it the mind of God, is the key to unlocking a life filled with wonder and possibilities. Tapping into the power, just like flipping a switch, lights up a room. Tapping into this force can light up our lives. It's not magic, it's about understanding and using this power to bring joy, success, and harmony. Imagine having a superpower that guides you towards the best version of your life. The mind-body-universe connection. Deep within us lies a connection to this force. It's a bridge between our minds and something much greater. This connection is our guide through life's storms, a beacon leading us to safe shores. It's not just about believing, it's about feeling this connection in every moment of our lives. Practical magic. Now let's get real. We all seek freedom. From worries, from fear, from the mundane. By tapping into this mind-body connection, we can face life's challenges with grace and emerge victorious. This part of our journey is about turning dreams into reality, embracing the divine guide. Connecting with this divine guidance might seem daunting, but it's as natural as breathing. It's about opening your heart and mind to the possibility that you're part of something vast and wise. It's not just about knowing, it's about feeling this truth in every fiber of your being. The power of belief. Belief is the key that unlocks this power. It's like gravity, unseen but ever present, holding everything in place. This divine force shapes our thoughts, guides our actions, and is always at work, even if we're not aware of it. Living the wisdom. Transforming this wisdom into action is our greatest adventure. It starts with changing how we think, shifting our focus from problems to solutions, from despair to hope. By aligning our thoughts with this greater wisdom, we open ourselves to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Daily steps to divine harmony. Every day is a new opportunity to strengthen this connection. Start each morning with a reminder of this power. Face challenges with a sense of partnership with the universe. Practice this mindset and observe as it reshapes your life's narrative. The journey continues. Remember, understanding and using this power is a continuous journey. Be patient and kind to yourself as you explore this path. Each insight, each moment of realization is a step towards a deeper connection with this universal wisdom, the transformative power. As we conclude this story, remember that you are not just a spectator in the universe. You are an active participant, connected to a power beyond imagination. This journey we've embarked on isn't just about understanding a concept. It's about transforming our lives. By embracing this wisdom, we open doors to endless possibilities, find solutions in the face of challenges, and live a life rich with purpose and joy. This isn't the end, but a new beginning, a step into a world where every moment is an opportunity to connect with something greater than ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May your path be illuminated with the light of this profound wisdom. Thank you for exploring this journey with me. If this makes sense to you, feel free to like and subscribe. Share your own stories and thoughts. Let's go on this exciting journey of change together.